Okay, I'm trying to do a replacement part on my heater blower modular resistor. It's this piece right here. You can see how corroded this old one looks. But basically my heater motor would not shut off even when I would shut the car off. I found this replacement one on Amazon for $42, and there are other replacements, but you actually have to cut the wires and then splice new wires to it because GM did some kind of an upgrade and the end parts don't match. And I didn't want to do that because I'd had to have got a mechanic because it was just too complicated. But I searched Amazon because I couldn't find it on eBay, but I found this one on Amazon, and it's, as you can see, it's an exact match. So it should just plug in without any splicing to be done. So I would definitely look for this. This is what the plug-ins look like. They're kind of small, maybe an inch across. So the only difference is this has purple and black, this has blue and black, and that won't make any difference. You have to take, let's see, where's the old part? This is the old part. It goes right up into here, just slides up in the hole like that. And the screws right here and right here line up. There and right there. And you gotta press in on these little tabs. Let's see here. See that little tab? You gotta press down on it in order to make it slide out. And it is difficult, but it isn't nothing compared to this back tab, which is behind the blower motor, clear up here. So let's see, if you were zooming in, there's the blower motor with the sticker on it. You have to go clear back behind it. I don't know if you can even see it up in there, but you'll see the wire running to it, so that's how you'll know it's there. I didn't have a miniature screwdriver, so I did have a screw, which I lost now, but it was, oh, here it is. It was just like a 2-inch drywall screw and has a sharp point. And I was able to get up in there and press on this, see that little tab right there? I was able to press down on it, and you can see it's a little chewed up on the end where I was pressing it down. Maybe you can see that. But anyways, you have to press up on this with a screw or a screwdriver, and then as it's wedged, pop it that direction towards the center. And it popped out. So now I got to put in the new piece, and it should just plug right in. Okay, I plugged the new one in. You can see it there. They go in, they plug in way easier than they come out. And there's no real room to move here near the dash. So you can imagine it's a tight fit.